Rafiq is absent again. So let's continue. Okay, so last class, I think I left this in between, and I thought most of you guys were able to figure it out. But now I'm going to do it again. So let's do it. Here, if you want, listen, if you want, you can take this one to be your pivot. You can take this one to be your pivot. Understood? Okay. If I want, I can take B as my pivot. If I want, I can take my A as the pivot. Completely up to you. Okay. So now, this is 0.2 meter, right? This is 0.2 meter. This has been given to us. Okay, let's take this as the pivot. So you write taking moment at M. So if I'm taking moment at M, you know this is clockwise, right? 35 G. What am I supposed to find here, by the way? Let me just remind myself. Where must Sam sit? What is the mass of Sam? 35. So this is what I'm supposed to find, right? This is what I'm supposed to find. Okay, let this be X. Let this be X. So if that is the case, clockwise, can I do clockwise 35G into X? Clockwise equals to, they both are anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise is going to be 25G into 0.2 plus 25G into 2. Understood? Okay. Once I find the X, I have to add it with 2 over here. Once I find the X, because they said from A, right? Where should he sit? And my answer is from A. So whatever answer you get according to my method, okay, so this is the X, right? You have to add it with 2 over here. Everyone understood? Online people,
Understood.
Yep.
everyone got it? Okay, then let's continue. Let's start doing. Okay, this was a not uniform rod, na? And I taught you when they give you not uniform rod what to do. It's not at the center. Another hint you guys are supposed to remember: the weight is not acting at the center. So example 10 is done. Okay, let's go to example 11 now. Example 11, everybody will read it, draw it on your own, do it, then show it to me. Better. 200, let me do 250 zoom. Okay, yalla. Everybody start doing this sum now. Okay, read it. Let me pause the recording till then. Oh, I forgot to record now. Recording. This is the diagram of everything. Okay, this is the equation number 1, where 3R plus R is equal to 20 Newton. 4R is equal to 20, so R is equal to 5 Newton. Now we are taking moment at A. You ask me some question right now. हाँ. क्या बोलते लगे जिज्ञेस करके लो कुछ करना आगे. हाँ. Taking moment at B. If you want to take moment at B, that also can be done. But I always take it at the left hand side edge. I don't know. My eyes are used to that. But if you want to take it at B, why not? You can do it. It doesn't matter. Same answer, Pape. There is no difference. Taking moment at A. Taking moment at A. So if you're taking moment at A, you can see yourself. You can see yourself. This is what? Anti-clockwise. Clockwise. Anti-clockwise. So 2 anti-clockwise, 1 clockwise. Okay. So anti-clockwise, what would I have? I have 15 into 1 plus 5 into 2.5, right? Equals to 20 into x. Find the value of x. I'm pretty sure rest you guys can do on your end. Everyone understood?
Yes.
Everyone got it? Now you can find the x value from me. Do this in the calculator, bracket, the whole thing divided by 20. Okay?
1.375.
1.375. I'm pausing the record. Resume. Resume recording. Now let's go. Now we are done with this chapter officially. Okay. All the basic thing we are supposed to learn regarding this chapter is done, but question bank questions are going to be very different. But first thing I want to say you guys that there are lots of questions in revision. If you go to revision, like vectors, so we already did now. If you go to revision of old book, if you go to revision exercise of old book, okay, you will find many sums. Acha, by the way, today officially for all students, I have finished M1. But M1, there is one chapter which I did not do, but that has already been covered in, I think, chapter number 3 or 4. That kinematics I did, not kinematics. Those are slope related questions. I already did it. Okay, but if you guys want a revision in it, I'm all for it. I'll do it. I'll definitely do a revision. But know that you guys are done. I mean, you guys are done. So these are some exam quoted question in revision exercise 2, if I'm not wrong, from question number 18 till question number oh wow, nice. From till question number 33, 18 till 33. At least 10 of them I'm going to give homeworks for you for next Wednesday. 10 of them. But this is one practice. This is one practice you guys are supposed to know. If anybody wants to know how to get the answers of these things, one back of this page answer is given. Or if you want a detailed answer of these things, this is how you do it. Those who have my files with them, okay, let me show you guys the recording. A-level maths, let me share the screen. Okay. So A-level maths, there is a file known as book answer A-level. Go there, book answers A-level. Click on M1. There is a file named M1. Okay, you need Java file for this. You need to have Java installed in your laptop. Just go to Java download in Google and it will download it for you. Okay, those who has my files. If you don't, there are another way also to do it. I'll show you that also. Don't worry, I'll show everything. M1, go to M1, click on it. But if you have Java in your laptop, then only. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Okay. Okay, so this screen comes. Choose the chapter number. Choose the oh, it's still small only. Okay. Chapter number 6. This was no, this is chapter number 5. Go to exercise. No, this was revision exercise 2. Revision exercise 2. Just enter the question number. Let's say I want to question number 34. 34 and press go. Okay, and it gives you the question and answer of 34 in detail. There is the question and solution has been given to you in detail. Okay, everyone understood? That's how you can see the answer. Everything is detailed. Don't copy it just to show me that I did my homework. From question number 18 till 33, how many questions are there? Around 18, around 16 questions there. Let me give you more questions for practice. Remember, the more you practice, the more your brain opens in this one. So what are the other questions you guys will solve? Other questions you guys will solve is, well, let me go to the PDF. Okay, sorry, some of you did not see it actually. This is the solution answer you guys are going to see. Solutions, these are the solutions which you get. Okay, now what else do we have? I have some practice paper with me. Okay, that also I have copy pasted them from actual question papers, which is A-level maths. Test paper is there, test paper. No, there is no test paper here, wait. Yeah, test paper, M1, this file I'm going to send you guys. Okay, so here, there are around, I don't know how many, maybe 15, 20 questions are here. I have no idea, but from latest paper till 2018, from 2014 to 2018, all questions are here. If you guys practice these, more than enough to make you an ace in this chapter. So instead of doing revision guide, I'll be doing this with you all today. The revision guide is your responsibility. I cannot do 20, 30 questions over here. I already did 3, 4 questions from textbook, which is basic. I have to do at least 5 to 6 questions from here to give you a general idea what kind of question you are looking for. And if you want answers for them, either you can ask me, but before asking me, you guys can go to YouTube and most of the answers are there. Just type the number, a year and question number. You will get it. If you don't get it, then you ask me. Okay? Everyone, understood? Everyone? How it is done? I'm going to send you the file though. Okay. Now, first thing, do this on your own. I always forget to resume the recording. I don't know why. Okay, so this is how the diagram looks like. A and B. There is after 8 meter. If you read the question, 8 meter. There is a this thing P, support P. The reaction at support P is 2009 Newton. There is a man standing over here. Okay, he is 1 meter from B. There is a man standing over there. He is 1 meter from B. What is the weight of the man? Has not been given to us. Okay, they want where is the center of the beam basically. So center of the beam, what is going to act? The weight of the beam. What is the weight of the beam? 25 G. So definitely I will take this as the pivot, na? Okay. Now let's find W first. Let's find W first. Can you do total upward force, which is 2009, equals to total downward force W plus 250 G, so 25 G plus 100 G. ठीक है? Now, so W is equal to 2009 minus 125 G. Okay, how much you guys are getting in your calculator? Remember, don't take 9.81. It has to be 9.8. You did this much. Okay, Tanisha did it somewhat. Okay, Tanisha, you're listening now what I'm saying?
Yes.
W is 784
What? What do you
Newton.
say?
784
W is
value
780.
of W.
Can you guys confirm that? Yes. Okay. W is 784 Newton. Done. So W is known to us. Now let us do clockwise, anti-clockwise concept. So how will we do clockwise, anti-clockwise thingy? So let me take this blue color. Okay. You can see clockwise. Okay. 100G clockwise, 25G clockwise, W clockwise. 2009 anti-clockwise. Okay then. So if that is the case, huh, W equals to, sorry, let's do clockwise now. What is it? 100G into 2. Please let me know. 100G into 2. Okay then. 25G. How much is this? We don't know. X. Clockwise. 25G into X. We don't know. Okay. There are 3 clockwises are there. How much is this? W. W. Okay. The whole length is 15 meter. So if you're 1 meter from here, from A, it is going to be 14 meter, right? So W, how much is W? 784 into 14. 14 meter equals to, how? Look, we know W is 1 meter from B. Okay. So how much is this going to be from A then? Whole length is 15 meter, na? Whole length is 15 meter. Okay. Maria, understood? Yeah. Okay. So if that is the case, we have 2009 into 8 as well. 2009 into 8. You can check that. 2009 into 8. Okay. Now you guys do this in your calculator and find the value of X for me. Find the value of X for me, please. In calculators. I'm doing trigonometry from C3. Sorry, I mean P3. Okay, I'm doing trigonometry. Sec theta, cosec theta, 196, all those things. Now I'm in middle of the chapter. So now I don't know whether you'll be able to understand that or not if I start from middle. And in physics, I will start a new chapter. So there you are seeing.
12.8.
You are getting X value as 12.8. Why do I feel like because of New Year, the Zoom has removed this thing, 40-minute limit? Yeah.
12.8.
Okay, let's see. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the mark scheme and see the answers for you. Jan 2014 IAL question 3. Jan 2014 IAL question 3. Jan 2014 IAL question 3. M1 question 3. IAL. 12.8 or 13 is the answer. Very good. That's what we got, no answer? Yes. Chalo then, guys. Now everybody got 12.8, na? Everyone? Okay. Now I have, okay, after this question is done, question number 5, I have this thing I'm going to take, next next Wednesday, there is going to be a mini test on this chapter. Okay, there is going to be a mini test on this chapter, and I'm saying you, it will be anything from textbook or question bank.
What chapter?
This chapter, moment of force. Next Wednesday, there is going to be a test, mini test. Okay, I'll give you maybe
Online?
based on the marks. I will multiply the mark by 1.2, and I will give you that much minute only. I will not give you 1 minute more. Okay, so yeah. Chalo.
Yeah.
दो question 5 now. Huh? Question kotha amake bolu. Okay, I'm pausing. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now, I'm going to do this sum. Okay. I hope I'm taking this recording properly. Otherwise, Rafiq is going to be so confused. Or whoever sees my video. Okay, so let's start from step by step now. Ekta kaj kori. Okay, they said a non-uniform rod. So let's draw. It's a non-uniform rod. Hello, acha ওখানে বসিও না ওটা কি ভাঙাটা ভাঙি বলো সমস্যা নাই it's বাংলা how many chairs? Oh, 100 real has been credited to your account. New Year. Huh? Someone gave their fees actually. What is? So this is the non-uniform rod. Dekte uniform moton, but it's a non-uniform rod, and it has a weight of 120 Newton. It's a non-uniform rod, so I don't know where my weight is. Okay, the center of the rod is at point G, where AG is 2.2 meter. So they have given us where it is. They have given it to us where it is. Okay, so 2.2 meter. The whole thing is 4 meters. If the whole thing is 4 meters, so definitely your G is going to be somewhere over here. G is going to be somewhere over here. Okay, so let me just label it. You have A, you have G, you have A, you have G, and the whole length is how much? 2.2 meter. Sorry. Okay, so we have 2.2 meter. This is how much? 2.2 meter. If this is 2.2 meter, this is going to be 1.8 meter. Everybody agrees with me? Okay, this is AG, and this is how much? Center. At center, what do you have? 120 Newton. Center, you have 120 Newton. The most important things in this kind of question is drawing the diagram. Okay. No. Your answer depends on your diagram, and if you draw a neat diagram, it will be very easy for the examiner to understand what's your method. You cannot just randomly get an answer, no? Okay, the rod is suspended in a horizontal position by 2 vertical light inextensible strings. Okay, so it is suspended. Okay, where it is suspended, let's see the main question. I forgot to draw it. A and B, it is suspended. So there is a reaction force. There is going to be a tension here, na? So this is tension A, and this is tension B. This is tension A, and this is tension B. Okay. A particle of weight 40 Newton is placed on the rod at point P. Okay, where AP is X meter. the rod remains in equilibrium. Okay, horizontal and in equilibrium. Okay, AP. We need to find P. Let's say P is somewhere over here. I don't know where is P. P is somewhere over here. So how much is it? How much is P? 40 Newton. So there's going to be 40 Newton here. Okay. What else did they give me? Did they give me anything else? They just want an answer, the tension in the string A and tension in the string B. Pretty easy. Now, there are two unknowns. So definitely I need two equations. Okay. Total clockwise movement equals to total anti-clockwise movement. Okay. So, or total upward force equals to total downward. Can I do RA plus RB equals to 120 plus 40? How much is it? 160 Newton. This is equation number 1. Can I solve it any further? Can I solve it any further? No, I cannot solve it any further. So why? Okay, now let's go to clockwise and anti-clockwise. If I do clockwise, anti-clockwise, you always know I always take the moment over here. So taking moment at A. Taking, wait, I'll tell you that. Moment at A. I already mentioned in yesterday's class, in previous class, is that wherever your pivot is, or wherever you're starting your movement from, okay, if you have any force there, it automatically becomes 0. So I'm going to take RA to be 0. So this is done. Now, because from that point, okay, what is the moment formula? Force into distance. Distance from where? From the pivot. What's your force here? RA. What's your distance from the pivot? 0. So what is RA into 0? 0. That is the reason. Understood? Online people, everyone, understood? Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, after that, what happens? This is 40 Newton is clockwise. So 120 Newton is clockwise. RB is anti-clockwise. So can I take 40 into X, because I don't know how much this is. That's what they said me. AP is X. They said me, right? So I'm going to take 40 into X plus 120 into 2.2, because we know from A it is 2.2, equals to RB into whole length. What was the whole length? 4 meter. Okay. Now you will get your RB. RB is going to be 40x. What is 120 into 2.2? 264. 264 divided by 4 is equal to RB. Simplify this. 10. 10x plus 264 divided by 4. How much? 66. So this is the equation of your RB. Now we already know what this is my equation number 1. This was my equation number 2. So whatever value I got in equation number 2, I can substitute that in equation number 1, RB. Can I write RA? Am I going fast? No. Am I going fast? Guys, online? RA,
No.
RA plus 10x plus 66 equals to, how much was the total we got? 160. Okay, I got a call. Wait. Pause.
94 minus 10x.
No. So do this. What will you get? RA equals to 160 minus 66 minus 10x. Check. How much? 94 minus 10x.
94 minus 10x.
Now let me see whether does it match with the mark scheme or not. How much is it? Jan 2016, question number 5. Let's see Jan 2016, question number 5. Pura IGCSE. You guys IAL. You are in A level now.
Oh, sorry.
Okay. Thank you for realizing it. Jan 2016. M1. Question number kato? 5. Okay. So 66 plus 10x, 94 minus 10x. 94 minus 10x,
Yes.
66 plus 10x. Correct. Everything is correct. Okay, fine. Now, either string will break if the tension in it exceeds 84 Newton. So any one of them string is going to break. Either. If the tension is exceeding more than what? 84 Newton. So this is the tension. So if these two, now this is a different kind of question. All this time, the kind of question which you were doing, this is completely 4 marks different. They said if the tension exceeds, so either your RA can break. If your RA breaks, then can I do 94 minus 10x will greater than 84? It will break if it is greater than 84. Or if RB breaks, 66 plus 10x. Okay. Yes, actually 84. If it is greater, it should be less than 84. Actually, it should be here. It should be less than 84.
So why 84?
It should be less than 84. This is less than. Okay, so 66, how much? 66 plus 10x should be less than 84, because you should not cross the x more than that. If your x crosses more than that, then any one of them is going to break. So let's find what is it. Find it for me. Find it for me. Do the inequality. Do it. X er tumra duita value pabe. I'm pausing the record. So what is the x value you guys are getting?
1.8 and 1.
Less than 1.8 and 1, right? Less than 1.8 and 1, right? So it has to be, let's should we see, less than, or it should be greater, less than 1.8. And they said greater than 1. Now this part.
Bro, why is less than or equal to?
It should be, okay, let's see that part first of all. A1, both CV, A1. Okay, so less than 1.8 is matching. What did they take greater than 1 over here? Okay, so they are saying that the range should be more than 1, but less than 1.8. Okay, if you keep it in between, that means you have a 0.8 distance. If you keep it in between, your wire will not break. But minus division and sign change. Okay, you guys said it is less than. Are you getting greater than 1 there? Are you guys getting greater than 1 over here? Answer?
No.
Oh, come on, guys.
Dekho.
I'm boli. This 10x should come over here and 84 will go here now. Yes, x greater than 1 you're getting. Here you're getting x greater than 1, and here you're getting x less than 1.8. So your value will be greater than 1 and less than 1.8. Everybody understood this? Huh? Greater than and equal to, that I don't know. Why are they giving greater than? Now dile hobe, I think. Now dile hobe. Okay, let's go to the another question now. Let's go to another question.
Equal to.
Huh? Yeah, I think equal to they give. I don't know why they give that. I wouldn't give it because they said less if it is more than 84. So that means my value should be. Oh, they said it is more than 84. That means it can be either 84 or less than 84. That is the reason. Yes, it can be either 84 or less than 84, but it should not be more than 84. Okay, question number 6. Do this.
Can we do something?
So I started recording for this sum Jan 2015. This is the diagram. They said find the possible value of x maximum. That means your x can be this.
To zoom out.
बोलते सी. Your x can be this. Your x can be this also. But if you are somewhere over here, use your common sense. Use your common sense. If your x is somewhere over there, there is a chance that that person is going to tilt and fall down. So that is the maximum value of x. Because after that, if you cross, definitely you are going to fall. If you are less than that, you are okay. Like if you are, even if you are here, it's okay. Even if you're here, it's okay. But when you go too far away, what will happen? Remember yesterday we learned turning point. There is going to be a turning point at point B. If there is a turning point at point B, what is the reaction force A? 0. Remember yesterday I said that your this particular, let me do it. Your this particular flank will become, is there any way I can just rotate it? No. Isn't there any way I can rotate it? Yeah. Yes. Your flank will become. I hope I can rotate it. You know what? Yes. Your flank will become something like this. Understood what I'm trying to say? If to common sense it is definitely common sense. Online people, you guys understood? Tilting বুঝে গেছো তোমরা? এখানে হচ্ছেটা কি? If you go too far away after B, If you are between A and B, you are fine. But when you cross the limit of B, after few moments, what will happen? There is a chance that you're going to tilt. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. So let me correct this posture over here.
What do you take it as?
What do we take it as X? I'll let you know. Don't worry. You know what? This is fine. Okay, let me rub rest all of them. Okay, so that it becomes a bit neat. Okay. Now, so if it is tilting, reaction at A becomes 0. So this is your X. Yes. That's it. This is your X. I don't know what your X is. But now there is only one reaction force. What is it? RB. I can take pivot at B now. Because your reaction at A is now 0. So taking pivot at where? At B. Now, what do I have? This W will shift. Where is it? Okay. The W will shift towards the right now. Not this W. Sorry, not this W. This W. 2W will shift towards the right. Now the 2W will come somewhere over here. Yes? Because he's walking now. He's walking and 2W is somewhere over here. So what's your clockwise movement? 2W into X. And what's your anti-clockwise movement? W. Now, you know from here to here, it's 2. And from here to, this is 0.5 L, right?
Why is it why is it X?
Because your X is changing.
Why is it W? Sorry, my bad. Why is it W? Is it not supposed to be 0.5?
Bolo. Abar bolo.
It should be a 0.5 L, right?
Yes, I did that. 0.5 L. W is going to be 0.5 L. 2
My
W is
bad.
X, bro.
Not that equation. 2W times X is equal to W. That one.
Yes, 2W times X equals to W into 0.5 L. W cancel. X equals to 0.25 L. Understood or not? 5 marks right there. For understanding that if he walks too much, okay, at maximum value of X, there is going to be a turning point. Shobai বুঝছো কিনা বলো এটা? Online, everyone understood or not? Hubert তার problem দেখাচ্ছে. There is something problem in loading the video. Can you try this in laptop as well? I'm pretty sure there is no problem. Yo, explain the whole thing. Achha, okay. Okay. So now forget this one even exists. This pivot even exists. Forget it. Okay. So now what are the two forces you have? W and 2W. 2W on the right hand side, W on the left hand side of the pivot. Understood? Yeah. So how I got 0, I'm going to explain that also. Okay. 2W into X. You understood that now? From actually, no. There's a mistake. There is a mistake. Let this be X, okay? Let this be X, okay? From the pivot, okay? Let this be X. Because I don't know how much is this. You know what? Let this be Y. Okay? Let this be Y. So can I do 2W into Y? Maria. Just check, na? This is Y. This is Y. Understood? So 2W into Y. Now Joy is asking how I got 0.5. Look. Joy, this is 2 meters from A, right? Okay. And this is 1.5 meter from A. How much is left? 0.5. If you want, you can take pivot at A. But this one is just one step. If you take pivot at A, your equation will be, there is going to be 2 equations. Total upward is equal to total downward. Here I finish it within single equation itself. The whole thing. Okay. What is the Y value? Okay. What is the Y value you guys got? 0.25 L. So this is 0.25. And from here to here is how much? 2 meter na?
Yes.
So plus 2 meter. So that is going to be X is 2.25 L. Online people, understood or not? Online people, you guys understood this?
Did you add 2 to the 0.2?
Yes,
Huh?
sir.
Yes, I added 0.25 to the 2 because this is 0.25. This part is 0.25. And rest of them is what? From A is what? 2, right?
Yeah.
So what is the X going to be? 2.25 L. What's up? Online. Everybody speak up. Understood?
Yeah.
Okay. So now your homework.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, bro. Itni izzat. Okay. You guys will do. How much is it? How many questions did we do today? 1, 2, 3 questions. You will do next 10 questions and come, and there is going to be a test. Next 10 questions Wednesday. Next, after this next 10 questions, you guys will do on your own and come. Here I have already written it for you. Okay. So you guys can see it from the mark scheme. I think most of you guys have the mark scheme. I have
Wait,
to
I'm
give-
not in the group. Can you send me the file then?
Yeah, I'm going to send you the file. I'm going to send you the file. Okay, guys. Your mom didn't come yet. What by? Sharp 8 o'clock. You're going to leave from here. Otherwise, I'll start teaching. Sit down. Online people, I will send you the file. You guys will do next 10 questions. No. This is not physics unit 1. This is M1, bro. Huh?
Okay, no, you got me stressed about my results, bro. It's in 14 fucking days.
Yeah, I know, bro.